Morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the Hindi class? Fine. So, have you done the yesterday worksheet? Please try to complete that homework. Okay, whatever I had sent it in the worksheet for you. And now be ready for the meanings, children. Okay, now let me start the class. Yesterday I matra no, I had given same I matra related only meanings. None other matra, only I matra related meanings I am going to give. Okay. मीनिंग्स बी रेडी शब्दार्थ क्या बोलते हैं इसे शब्दार्थ वेरी soon we will start all the headings in Hindi also. Okay, I will give it in Hindi, but let me start with only in English heading beta. Now listen children, all of you, be ready. Meaning of first meaning is मैया. माँ को आई की मात्रा मै, या को आ की मात्रा या, मैया. Mother. Right above. Everyone knows now how to write the meanings in Hindi and English? Yes. Next one. गैया, cow. गैया का meaning क्या? गैया. What is the meaning of गैया? Cow. Okay. Third one. सैनिक. सा को आई की मात्रा सै, ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, क. सैनिक. सोल्जर. सैनिक, soldier. दैनिक. मीनिंग ऑफ दैनिक इज डेली. दा को आई की मात्रा दई, ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, क. दैनिक. DAILY डेली. हैरान. हा को आई की मात्रा है, रा को आ की मात्रा र, ना. हैरान. सरप्राइज. और यू कैन राइट शॉक. हैरान मतलब शॉक. SHOCKED. नेक्स्ट वन. तैराक. स्विमर. त को आई की मात्रा तै, र, क. तैराक. स्विमर. SWIMMER. स्विमर. सेवेंथ वन. मैदान. मैदान. ग्राउंड. मैदान. ग्राउंड. नेक्स्ट वन. बैठना. तो सिट. बैठना मतलब क्या? सिट. तो सिट. नेक्स्ट वन. पैदल. वॉक. पैदल चलना मतलब टू वॉक. ओके. भैया. ब्रदर. भैया का मतलब ब्रदर. BROTHER. ब्रदर. मैदा. फ्लोर. FLOUR. फ्लोर. Okay, so I had given the 11 meanings. कैसा. 12th one. का को आई की मात्रा कई, सा. सा को आ की मात्रा सा. कैसा. how. Okay, come on, be ready children. Come on, say what is the meaning of मैया? Mother. Spell the word of मैया. माँ को आई की मात्रा मै, या को आ की मात्रा या, मैया. मदर. MOTHER. मदर. गैया. ग को आई की मात्रा गई, या को आ की मात्रा या, गैया. Spell the word of cow. 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 सैनिक. सा को आई की मात्रा सई, ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, क सैनिक, सोल्जर SOLDIER सोल्जर, दैनिक, दा को आई की मात्रा दई, ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, क दैनिक, DAILY डेली, हैरान, हा को आई की मात्रा है, रा को आ की मात्रा र, न, हैरान, शॉक SHOCKED शॉक, तैराक, ता को आई की मात्रा तई, रा को आ की मात्रा र, क तैराक, स्विमर SWIMMER swimmer. Place the finger and spell the word. Always place the finger. Just blankly don't say Maya, mother, Gaya, cow. How could you understand? So place the finger and spell the word. Okay. So whenever you are going for reading, ఒక్కొక్క వర్డ్ మీరు ఏ వర్డ్ చెప్పారో ఆ వర్డ్ అక్కడ ఫింగర్ పెట్టుకొని చెప్పాలి. మయ్యా, మదర్, గయ్యా, కౌ, లైక్ దిస్. సైనిక్, స్పెల్ ద వర్డ్. How to spell the word? Place the finger. सा को आई की मात्रा सई, ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, क सैनिक, सोल्जर, दैनिक, डेली, हैरान, शॉक, तैराक, स्विमर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. मैदान, मा को आई की मात्रा मई, दा को आ की मात्रा दा, न, मैदान. ग्राउंड GROUND ग्राउंड. बैठना, बा को आई की मात्रा बै, ठ, ना को आ की मात्रा न, बैठना. टू सिट TOTSIT सिट. पैदल, स्पेल द वर्ड पैदल. पा को आई की मात्रा पै, द, ल, पैदल. वॉक WALK वॉक. भैया, भा को आई की मात्रा भई, या को आ की मात्रा या, भैया. ब्रदर BROTHER ब्रदर. मैदा, म को आई की मात्रा मई, दा को आ की मात्रा द, मैदा. फ्लोर FLOUR ఫ్లోర్ అంటే పిండి. మైదా పిండికి ఏమంటారు? ఫ్లోర్. FLOOR ఫ్లోర్ అంటే నేలకి. నేలకి ఏం చెప్పాలి? FLOOR ఫ్లోర్, అది వేరే. దిస్ ఇస్ FLOUR. ఓకే, మమ్మీ పూరీలు రోటీలు చేస్తారు కదా, అది పిండికి ఏమనాలి? ఫ్లోర్ అంటాం. FLOUR. कैसा, हौ, क को आई की मात्रा कई, स को आ की मात्रा स, HOW हौ. Now without spelling, be ready. मैया, मदर, गैया, cow, सैनिक, soldier, दैनिक, daily, हैरान, shocked, तैराक, swimmer. मैदान ground. बैठना to sit. पैदल walk. भैया brother. मैदा floor. कैसा how. So you know all the meaning, isn't it? Mother means ma. Cow, అవుకి ఏమనాలి? cow అంటాం. సోల్జర్ ఎవరు? సిపాయికి ఏమన్నారు? సోల్జర్. డైలీ అంటే రెగ్యులర్. షాక్, సర్ప్రైజ్, ఎనీ సర్ప్రైజ్ గిఫ్ట్స్. when your moms gets you, you will get shock, isn't it? So swimmer. Okay, swimming చేయడానికి swimmer. The who is swimming in water is what? Who is swimming in water ఏంటి? వాటర్ స్విమ్ చేస్తాం కదా, అతని పేరేంటి? స్విమ్మర్. ఓకే, మైదాన్ అంటే గ్రౌండ్. ఇదేమో కూర్చోడం, టు సిట్. వాక్, నడవడానికి. బ్రదర్, అన్నయ్య. ఫ్లోర్, పిండికి అంటాము. హౌ, ఎలా. హౌ అంటే హౌ, ద వే యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్. హౌ మమ్మీ, హౌ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్. హౌ టీచర్, how it happens. You are asking, no, it is a question mark. कैसा हुआ. Okay, so the way you are asking, it is a question mark word. कैसा बोलने का. So ठीक है. So how many meanings I had given? 12. Okay, so leave a line, write those English meanings on the opposite side of the Hindi. You have done this practice, you have done in the exam also. Please write very neatly. Okay, leave a line and write. Each and every meaning you should have to leave a line and write. Okay, and be ready for the next bit. Place the I matra for the given underline letter. Okay, are you ready, children? So wherever the letter whichever I had underlined, There you have to place the I matra and you have to complete the word. Get ready, children. Now okay, Rangin Aksharam place the I matra, underline letter. Place I matra to the underlined letter to frame the word. Frame the word. This is the heading, children. Okay. Now for example, I'll show you. Here, one or two example I'll show you. Now listen here. I'll underline for the letter B. Then how will you write the answer? Ba को I की मात्रा by ल, ग को आ की मात्रा ग, डा को बड़ी की मात्रा डी, बैलगाड़ी. So there is no matra for this letter. I had underlined letter. You should have to place the I matra, isn't it? Is it clear now? Will you do it now? Second one. Ta. Okay. Ra. Ra को आ की मात्रा र, ka. I had underlined for ta. Then how will you write now? Ta को I की मात्रा तई, ra को आ की मात्रा र, ka. तैराक. ta को I की मात्रा तई, ra को आ की मात्रा र, ka. तैराक. Third one. Pa. Underline. The. La. You should have to complete the words. Okay. Make it as a homework, children. Next. Bha. Ra. Va. I had underlined for bha. Okay. Two examples I had shown you. Wherever I had underlined the letter, you just place the I matra and complete the word. Fifth one. Ma. Na को आ की मात्रा na for ma. I had underlined the ma letter. Next. Kha. Pa. Ra. La. Now for ra I had underlined. You place the ra letter I matra. Next. Again. Ta. Ya को आ की मात्रा ra. For ta letter. Place the I matra and complete the word. Sa. Na को छोटी की मात्रा नी, ka. For sa letter. Ninth one. Next. Na. Ya को आ की मात्रा ya. For na letter. Is it right? So like this you should have to place the I matra and complete the word. So what is the third one? It becomes, if I place the pa को I की मात्रा, paidal. This is if I place the for bha को I मात्रा, bhairav. Ma को I की मात्रा लगाने से maina. This is khaprail. तैयार. त को I की मात्रा तै, तैयार. सैनिक. नैया. Isn't it? So you have to complete this. I had shown the two examples. Rest of the 7 you have to complete. Okay, children. So these are. Tomorrow I will give you the another way, that is join the letter matra. Instead of matra I am placing the letter there. There you have to change it as a matra. Then I rasta nenu. For example, this is okay. You have to understand, no? Now tomorrow the work I am going to show you. I already had learned. I have given this example. I had given in the exam also. For example, like this. Suppose, just for example, ma plus I letter, na plus a matra. How to write now? How will you write now? I had underlined the I. So what to do now? For ma, remove the I letter. Ma को I की मात्रा लगाकर ना को आ की मात्रा लिखिए. मैना. Understand? Now for next example. Pa plus I matra plus the plus la. How will you write now for this answer? Yes, for this I letter you are placing the I matra. Pa ko I ki matra pai, the la paidal. Is it clear, children? Can you able to follow? So like this example tomorrow I will give you. You should have to make it as a homework. Okay. So today's class is completed. Is it clear now? So 2 bits, follow it and write down. Today I had given the meanings and place the underline. What I had given, whichever the letter I had underlined, you place the I matra and complete the word. Okay. So yesterday I had given the hard words. Today I had sent the meanings. Okay. So I will send it in the message. You write down very neatly, leaving a line. Okay, children. But please keep your pencil sharp and right. Your point should be very neat. And your I matra should be towards to the left side. Don't turn to the straight or towards right side. Okay, facing always to the I matra to left side. Okay, children. And I had shown the finger trick also, isn't it? This is A matra. This is I matra. I had explained you many times. So remain it. I am not turning my fingers towards right side, isn't it? See how is it direction? Is it looking correct or wrong? Wrong. So your direction is what? Where it is turning? If here any letter is there, you are turning towards left side, right? So this is called I matra. So remember it. Don't do any mistake. Write in the very neat handwriting. Okay. Don't make your words very clumsy and right. Thank you, children, and be safe all.